Hello, this is Maggie, and I'll just try to log into your MailChimp using the credentials used, and I'll see what's the problem. So I haven't done it before, so I'll need to log out of my account, and I'll log in to your account. So your username is Crony Rose Australia. And the password is this one, as you can see. You can click keep me logged in and just click login. And you will have to, once you log in, you will have to verify or add security or enable security questions. You don't have to do it. You just click I'll do this later. And there you go. I hope it helps.